which indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include heated seats, premium sound system, rear view camera, supercharger, hands-free Bluetooth integration. We are pleased to show you the 2016 Corvette. The Chevy Corvette is America's best-known nameplate. If you are looking for sharp and fast, the Vette is for you, and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 25,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, keyless entry, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, traction control, navigation system, stability control, backup camera, Bluetooth. Come see the car for yourself.